Whales don't crash Bitcoin, at least according to PlanB. The creator of the popular stock-to-flow model wrote on Tuesday that the cryptocurrency's last significant dip in March 2020 surfaced due to its positive correlation with the S&P 500. The statement conflicted with reports that indicated price manipulation by traders holding a higher quantity of Bitcoin tokens. In March 2020, the price of Bitcoin had crashed by more than 60% within just 24 hours. On-chain data analysis portal CryptoQuant later reported that whales were depositing Bitcoin into cryptocurrency exchanges en masse at least 4 days before the March 12-13 crash. The higher capital inflow coincided with major downside moves in the Bitcoin spot market. On March 8, for instance, the BTC/USD exchange rate plunged by more than 10%. That eventually transpired into a 60% crash by March 13. The period saw an average inflow per transaction topping near 6,000 BTC from as low as 1,000 BTC. PlanB differed from views that supported the theory of whale manipulation behind the Bitcoin price crash. Instead, the analyst said the cryptocurrency fell under the pressure of a global market rout caused by lockdowns to contain the spread of a pandemic. The most popular theory points to investors with exposure in both equities and cryptocurrency markets selling their holdings to raise cash. It may not have an orchestrated move but a mere reaction to the worsening macroeconomic outlook. PlanB recalled similar downside moves in the Bitcoin market to explain its uncanny correlation with the S&P 500. The analyst noted that the cryptocurrency plunged by 38% in November 2019 against the backdrop of the US-China trade war. S&P 500 had registered a modest drop owing to similar macro catalysts. PlanB also referred to Bitcoin's dip towards $6,430 in December 2019. He said the plunge came in the wake of the Federal Reserve's decision to reverse its 11-year-long quantitative easing program. Traders perceived the event as bearish for Bitcoin and sold it to raise cash. The quantitative easing restarted in March 2020 after the U.S. stock market crashed to its lowest levels since December 2016. The trillions of dollars worth of stimulus helped Bitcoin and the S&P 500 registering a record-breaking recovery rally. PlanB last week said that both the markets could rise in tandem as long as the Fed keeps supporting the economy with its expansionary policy. He predicted that Bitcoin would hit $18,000 in the coming sessions. Bitcoin was trading at $9,618 at the time of this writing, up 33.57% on a year-to-date timeframe.